Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the GST Appellate Tribunal portal. In this video, you will be guided through the registration process, step by step. Our goal is to provide you with a clear understanding of how the registration procedure works, enabling you to complete it easily, efficiently, and accurately. So let's get started. First, go to the GST Appellate Tribunal website. To begin, click on the Register button located at the top right-hand side of the page. Select your user type from the available options. There are a few kinds of user types available: taxpayers, tax officials, and authorized representatives. You can create different accounts for different user types, but each account must have a unique login ID. Next, fill out the registration form. Based on the GSTIN number entered, basic information of the user will be auto-fetched. This information will be used for e-filing related process by the GSTAT Portal. Your login ID will be the same as the GSTIN number entered. These contact details will be used for all e-filing related correspondence. Authenticate your contact details using the OTP. Authorized representative needs to provide appropriate details, including contact details, for verification. Once you've completed these steps, you'll receive a success message for registration. Your login ID and password will be sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Click on the Login button, located at the right-hand side of the page. Enter your user login details, including your user ID and password. Then, press the Login button. If you forget your password, click on Forgot Password and enter the required details. To unlock your account, click on Unlock Account and enter the required details. And that's it. You have now successfully completed your registration on the GST Appellate Tribunal portal.